Breast enhancement is one of the most popular cosmetic procedures today. However, many people still want to know how to increase breast size naturally. This video will share with you some effective and natural methods to help you achieve fuller breasts without surgery or taking any pills or supplements. Exercises to increase breast size naturally. How to do the exercises. Perform a set of 10 repetitions on each side, resting for 30 seconds between each set. You should feel your chest muscles working as you perform this exercise. If they don't, you're not doing it correctly. How often? Perform this exercise 2 to 3 times per week, or more if desired. You should see results within 6 weeks of starting. What to expect from the exercises? Your breast size will increase over time, filling out more evenly and becoming more firm overall. The best way to know whether or not these exercises are working for you is by tracking your progress visually, via photographs taken at different points throughout this process. If there's still room left after increasing your cup size through regular use, consider going up one band size next time. Diet plan to increase breast size. The first step in increasing breast size naturally is nutrition. You need to eat healthy foods that won't cause your breasts to shrink. The best thing you can do for this area of your body is to eat as many fruits, vegetables, whole grains and low-fat dairy products as possible each day. You should avoid refined carbohydrates like white bread or pasta because these foods contain little fiber, which causes blood sugar levels to spike quickly after eating them, which makes you feel hungry again soon after. Foods high in fiber take longer for the body's digestion system to break down, so they don't cause a rapid rise in glucose levels either. Breast massage techniques. One of the easiest ways to boost your breast size is by massaging them. Massaging your breasts can help increase their size and is also a great way to relieve stress from everyday life. There are several different techniques for massaging your breasts that you can use at home or while in public. They all involve using both hands and gentle pressure on the area where they grow, the nipple. The most common technique is circular massage, which involves rolling over each mound with both palms in opposite directions, before gently squeezing them together, as if they were applesauce cups. This type of massage isn't just good for increasing overall size, it also helps reduce pain associated with tenderness or inflammation caused by hormonal fluctuations such as those caused by pregnancy or breastfeeding experience. Massage with oils and creams. Oils and creams can be used to massage your breasts. They should be massaged in a circular motion for about 10 minutes 3 times per day. This will help increase the size of your breasts naturally. It would help if you also tried to massage before going to bed nightly, as this will help you sleep better and relax more efficiently during the night. Fennel seeds to increase breast size. Fennel seeds are rich in phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen. Phytoestrogens can help increase breast size by acting as an anti-estrogen, like tamoxifen, but they have other health benefits too. You can take fennel seeds to increase breast size by eating them as part of your diet or adding them to your smoothies and juices. To use fennel seeds to increase breast size. Eat half teaspoon per day with meals or supplements to see results quickly. The more often you eat this amount each day, the faster it will work for you. Pills for breast enhancement. Pills for breast enhancement are not a good idea. It would help if you didn't use them because they can cause side effects and harm your health. They won't help you permanently increase the size of your breasts, but rather temporarily. Pills are not a permanent solution that works over time, so if you want to increase your breast size naturally, then there is no need for pills or surgery. Conclusion. Choosing the best ways to increase breast size naturally is one of the most effective ways to get bigger breasts without surgery. The good news is that you have different options for enhancing your breast size. You can choose natural methods such as massaging with oils or creams, doing targeted exercise or even changing your diet. Alternatively, you can opt for pills for breast enhancement or even surgery. Note that no matter which method you choose, it's essential for you to seek professional help from your doctor. This way, you'll avoid the risks associated with some of these options.